Hello everyone, I am Anamika from BCA AQ batch 1 semester 3rd, and today I am here to present my website which I had made through HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. So this is my website. Here I included, it is a clothing hub, or you can say that you find out what are the accessories which I try to copy the Soul Store, which is a website that provides you these all things. So I try to link these pages like about us, and as like this is contact us, and and the services through which I can ask what I am providing to the users. Then this is the code through which is the code of using HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. This is the code of about us, services and contact us. That's all from my side. Thank you.